Welcome to the Vault of Civilizations, where today we uncover one of the most ambitious visions ever imagined in human history. Behind this extraordinary vision stands Elon Musk and SpaceX, whose long-term goal is transforming humanity into a truly multi-planetary civilization. In this documentary, we'll explore every aspect of the technology, challenges, costs, and future possibilities behind this remarkable vision for human expansion beyond Earth. Imagine a future where thousands of people live, work, and raise their families on another planet, creating an entirely new chapter in human civilization. A successful city on Mars would serve as humanity's second home, helping preserve civilization if Earth ever faces a global catastrophe or existential threat. Additionally, this Martian settlement would accelerate scientific discoveries and technological innovation at an unprecedented rate for all of humanity. Building a self-sustaining city on Mars would require one of the largest engineering efforts ever attempted in human history and civilization. Experts estimate that the total global investment could potentially reach hundreds of billions and even trillions of dollars over many decades of sustained effort. However, the immense cost is justified when we consider that Mars colonization represents insurance for humanity's long-term survival. Join us now as we begin this incredible journey to uncover the detailed plan for building the first city on Mars and transforming human civilization forever.
Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Before we begin building a city on Mars, we must first answer the fundamental question. Why choose Mars instead of the Moon or any other planet? Unlike Venus, whose surface temperatures are hot enough to melt lead, Mars offers conditions that advanced technology can help humans adapt to effectively. While Mars remains extremely harsh and unforgiving, scientific analysis shows it is far more suitable for future colonization than most other worlds in our solar system. Scientists believe future settlers may extract Martian water for drinking, farming, oxygen production, and even rocket fuel manufacturing. Mars provides unprecedented opportunities for scientific discoveries unlike anything else in our solar system, including potential evidence of ancient microbial life. Every successful mission to Mars represents another crucial step toward transforming a distant dream into long-term human presence. Progress on the Martian city will come gradually, through years of testing, innovation, and international collaboration. The financial scale of building a Martian city is unlike anything humanity has attempted before, with experts estimating trillions in investment requirements. The cost is not just about rockets. It includes building entire ecosystems, including food production, radiation shielding, and medical facilities. Reaching Mars requires precise launch windows every 26 months, meaning logistics must be carefully planned years in advance. Elon Musk's vision is driven by the fundamental belief that humanity must become multi-planetary to ensure long-term survival. A self-sustaining Martian colony must eventually produce its own energy, repair its systems, and expand without heavy reliance on Earth supplies. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a strong magnetic field, so settlers must rely on underground habitats or shielded structures for radiation safety. Solar power, nuclear systems, and future hybrid technologies will combine to ensure continuous electricity for the entire Martian settlement. Communication between Earth and Mars will always have delays of 4 to 24 minutes one way, requiring settlers to operate with high autonomy. Over time, the goal is not just survival but growth, with the city expanding into multiple interconnected habitats and industrial zones. Each expansion phase brings humanity closer to a permanent interplanetary civilization beyond Earth's boundaries. According to SpaceX's long-term roadmap, Mars represents the first step toward becoming a truly multi-planetary species. The timeline for Mars colonization is ambitious, with SpaceX suggesting early human missions could begin in the coming years. Reliability is critical because every system, from propulsion to life support, must function perfectly in an environment where rescue is extremely limited. Living on Mars will require psychological resilience, physical endurance, and the ability to survive in isolated, confined environments. Despite the challenges, interest from the global elite and private investors continues to grow, seeing Mars as the ultimate frontier. Building a Martian city raises profound questions about what society should look like on another planet. SpaceX envisions Mars gradually becoming self-sustaining, allowing local industries to develop independently over time. The journey to 2036 represents a symbolic target when humanity could take its first real steps toward permanent interplanetary living. Each mission to Mars will build upon previous accomplishments, gradually increasing the complexity and scale of human presence. If successful, Mars could become humanity's backup civilization, a scientific hub, and a symbol of our ability to expand beyond Earth. The idea of Mars colonization is not just about technology. It's about survival, curiosity, and the long-term future of human civilization. If humanity succeeds on Mars, it could open the door to exploring even deeper parts of our solar system. Education, science, and innovation would accelerate as humanity develops technologies for sustaining life beyond Earth. The psychological impact of seeing Earth from another planet would fundamentally change how humans understand their place in the universe. Over time, Mars could develop its own culture, identity, and society, distinct yet connected to Earth. The success of Mars colonization would mark one of the greatest achievements in human history, comparable to the first steps on the Moon. Even if full colonization takes longer than expected, each step forward brings humanity closer to becoming a true spacefaring civilization. The dream of Mars ultimately reflects human ambition, the desire to explore, expand, and survive beyond any limits. Whether achieved in 2036 or later, the journey itself will forever redefine science, engineering, and human possibility. The story of Mars is still being written, and every launch, test, and discovery adds a new chapter to humanity's greatest adventure. Welcome to the Vault of Civilization, where the dream of Mars has become humanity's reality and our future among the stars. The story of Mars is still being written, and every launch, test, and discovery adds a new chapter to humanity's greatest adventure. Welcome to the Vault of Civilization, where the dream of Mars has become humanity's reality and our future among the stars. Each new phase of Mars city development requires careful study of the Martian surface for safe and efficient expansion. Mars provides abundant resources that future technology can extract to support human settlement and industry. Creating a breathable atmosphere on Mars represents one of the most critical challenges for sustaining human life. Growing food on Mars requires advanced agricultural technology to sustain human settlement indefinitely. Ensuring access to advanced healthcare will be essential for the survival and well-being of Mars settlers. Maintaining communication networks between Earth and Mars is crucial for scientific research and settlement management. Transportation infrastructure on Mars will connect the entire city for efficient movement of people and supplies. Creating self-sustaining manufacturing capabilities on Mars eliminates dependence on Earth for essential supplies. Building a knowledge-based society on Mars ensures continuous innovation and human advancement. Creating a complete society on Mars includes providing recreational and community spaces for quality life. Environmental sustainability on Mars requires complete recycling and resource management systems. Managing population growth on Mars requires careful planning to ensure sustainable settlement expansion. Creating a self-sustaining economy on Mars ensures long-term independence and prosperity. Developing effective governance on Mars is essential for building a just and sustainable society. Mars culture will emerge from the collective experiences of settlers building a new civilization. Mars offers unprecedented opportunities for scientific discovery that could transform human understanding. Mars will serve as a launchpad for humanity's exploration of the deeper solar system. International collaboration on Mars demonstrates humanity's ability to work together toward common goals. Maintaining Mars' environment for long-term sustainability requires comprehensive monitoring systems. Emergency preparedness ensures Mars settlers can handle any crisis that might occur. Planning for Mars' distant future ensures continuous progress and human achievement. Building strong community connections on Mars creates the foundation for lasting society. Raising the first Martian-born generation requires careful planning and dedicated effort. Continuous technological innovation on Mars drives human advancement and interplanetary progress. Every Mars achievement represents humanity's determination to expand beyond Earth's boundaries. Preserving Mars settlement history ensures future generations understand their origins. Mars represents the first step in humanity's journey to becoming a truly interplanetary species. Humanity has taken its place among the stars with the establishment of the first city on Mars. The story of humanity's expansion beyond Earth has just begun with the first city on Mars. Welcome to the Vault of Civilization, where the first city on Mars stands as humanity's greatest achievement and our future among the stars.
So hello guys, welcome back in the another documentary. So today World Civilization uncover Elon Musk extraordinary vision for the first city on Mars. This ambitious SpaceX project represents humanity's greatest leap towards becoming a multi-planetary species. Building a self-sustainable city on the red planet requires unpredictable engineering, trillions in investment, and decades of global collaboration. Mars offers water, ice, resources, and conditions that advanced technology can help humans adopt to. Every Starship launched, every habitat module, and every scientific discovery bring us closer to 2036. This Martian settlement would preserve civilization if Earth faces catastrophe, accelerate innovation, and expand human consciousness. The challenges and immerse, but the rewards are infinite. Join us in exploring humanity's most extraordinary adventure beyond Earth's boundaries. If you like this documentary, kindly do like and subscribe World of Civilization, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Take care.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.